Good morning everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. So this morning I'm about to make breakfast for myself and I want to show you my recipe for quick and easy crepes, otherwise known as pancakes. In South Africa, Pannekoek. So let's jump right in. So what you're going to need is a cup of milk, 3 eggs, and just under a cup of flour. Like if you want them to be nice and thick, a full cup of flour. If you want them to be a little bit thinner, a little more delicate, less than a cup of flour. I'm going to make them a little more thin and delicate today. All right, you ready? Let's do this. I always break my eggs over here on the corner because it's nice and easy. It does the job. So we're gonna break 3 eggs and give them a little whisk. Okay, then we add a cup of milk. There's cat hair in there. Oh well. You whisk that together and then we go in for just under a cup of flour. A sieve! It looks dirty. Nope, that's just rust. Sieve in just a little bit at a time. And whisk it up. And so you just keep doing that until all of the flour is in your mix. Okay, and that's everything that goes into the mix. All right, let's head on over to the stove. So just make sure that your pan is nice and greased. Make sure that it's really greasy. I usually add just a little bit of oil. Just a little bit of olive oil, the tiniest amount of olive oil you ever did see. I also only have 2 pan sizes, really big or really small. And I want this to be really quick and easy, so I'm going to make big pancakes today. I've got a plate over here in case you can't see it. I'll burn it on to a low heat. I like to cook them pretty slowly so that they don't burn, so that they stay nice and soft and light. You can cook them pretty much however you want to. If you're in a rush, you can put it on a high heat and risk having some burned pancakes. So while I wait for that to heat up, I'm gonna make some more cinnamon sugar because that's what I'm doing. I'm doing simple, basic cinnamon sugar pancakes, my absolute favorite. If you're curious how to make cinnamon sugar, this is how to do it. So you just add however much sugar you want. I'm obviously not going to use all of this in one sitting. No honey, I ain't that bad. Then you grab your ground cinnamon. Lemon Squeeze doesn't know how to do this. This is for you, Lemon Squeeze. I'm showing you how to make cinnamon sugar. You just dig in there. I'm gonna make a mess. Grab a spoon, pop it in there. Then you can mix up. And that's how you make cinnamon sugar. The mystery has been revealed. Our pan is nice and hot, so... Whoa, I put way too much in there. Whoa. Disaster. I make these so often and I still mess it up. Rotate the pan around. See, like this? This is actually a pretty good looking pancake, surprisingly. And when it starts to brown around the edges, then you know, and like when it starts to peel away from the edge of the pan, then you know that it's time to flip that pancake. I either use my fingers or I'm gonna use my fingers. You might not want to use your fingers, it's hot. So I just, tricks. That's how I flip my pancakes. And that is your pancake or your crepe. It's not a proper French crepe, but you know, it's a South African pannekoek. Delicious. Let it cook on the other side. I just feel how long. I'm like, yeah, that seems about right. And then I pop it onto the plate. And I think we're at the point where I'm like, yeah, that seems about right. And I'm gonna pop it onto the plate. Bam, that's perfect. I'm also just gonna pile them up on this plate. The bottom one always gets a little bit soggy there. It's probably because it's the first one, it hits the grease and it's like, cool, I'm a wet pancake. Yes! Okay, I'll show you the other way that I flip pancakes. Maybe I won't because this pancake doesn't want to cooperate. I'm destroying it. All right, ta-da! That's how you flip pancakes. And it's at that point where I'm like, yeah, seems like it's ready to pop it into the plate. Yes! I'm gonna cook up the rest of these and then show you the very last and easiest step of the whole bunch. Alright, so now you've got your pancakes, and what we're going to do is just sprinkle them with some sugar, roll them up, cinnamon sugar, just do a little bit, and roll it up. We're going to do that with the rest of our pancakes. And the last thing you can do is add a squeeze of lemon all over your pancakes. Now you just enjoy your pancakes and just eat them. It's one of those special nostalgic breakfasts for me. My mom always used to make them for me when I was growing up, and I would eat them straight out of the pan. The moment they came out, I would sugar them, lemon them, and throw them back. And I would eat the entire batch. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy recipe. Try it out yourself, let me know what you think. If you liked this video, leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought about it down in the comments below, especially if you try this recipe. I'd love to hear from you. And if you would like to support me and support this channel, please subscribe. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.